I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Extreme video for Wednesday, the 7th of April. Temperatures begin to trend downward today, but still pretty warm for this time of the year. But the noticeable change will come tomorrow. Let's look at the Skycam shots early this morning in the pre-dawn early morning hours. Tuscaloosa looking north from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, the sky mostly fair. Up north, there's a look at Memorial Parkway in the city of Huntsville from the Skycam there in Madison County. And back in the Birmingham Metro, that's the Inverness Skycam on top of the Wingate Inn. There we go. That's a water vapor satellite shot. You can see the big trough is still well to the west, but the ridging is moving east, so today will not be as warm. The high today will be around 80, still warm, but no upper 80s like we've seen in recent days. This morning, things are relatively quiet on the watch warning map. Few wind advisories off to the west, but later today, we could see some active convection. There is a slight risk of severe weather, which is the standard risk from the western Gulf Coast, including Houston and Lake Charles, on up through parts of the Ohio River Valley. Some of the cities in that would include Jackson, Memphis, Little Rock, Indianapolis, and the higher severe weather probabilities are centered from near Greenville, Mississippi, up to Indianapolis, around Memphis and Paducah, places like that. And so we'll keep an eye on things as they form later today. And then tomorrow, there's no formal risk here, just a slight risk way up north from near Washington, D.C., up into parts of New York. And again, we'll take a look at the details here in just a moment. QPF chart, expected rain overall for the nation for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday evening at 7 through the weekend. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch here, but the heavier totals to the north. Here's the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. Trough to the west, ridge to the east. And we'll call it partly sunny with a high close to 80 today. And again, you can see the convection developing off to the west. Tomorrow, the trough is progressive. The axis still just a little west of here. Down below that at 1 o'clock, the GFS depicting the heavier showers and storms now south and east of Birmingham. This is strongly suggesting the bulk of the rain will come during the morning hours, and we've got that in the forecast. Let's look at the RPM. That is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. And if this is right, it's not going to rain that much. Just a kind of a dying band of showers in here. So a real chance you'll be driving to work in some rain tomorrow morning. And then by 1 o'clock, it's pretty much gone. The showers down to the south and east of Birmingham, and really not much in the way of redevelopment there over Georgia. So and we'll peek at the instability values, the surface-based CAPE. This is 7 a.m. tomorrow. And at that point, the best instability, and there's not much of it, is south and east of here. So severe weather looks minimal. Chance of any heavy rain looks minimal. Just some rain, maybe some thunder tomorrow morning. But noticeably cooler. The high will be back in the 60s. And then Friday will be clear. We'll start the day around 40. And again, the colder pockets, you know, the places, the suspect areas, those valleys we often talk about, could get down there in the low and mid-30s with a chance of some frost, but should not be a major problem for the growers. Saturday starting off the weekend, beautiful, sunny with mid-70s, and the same thing on Sunday. Just a picture-perfect spring weekend. And hopefully that rain tomorrow will wash out some of this pine pollen that is so nasty out there. Monday of next week, we stay dry. Tuesday, big storm coming out of the Rockies, sub 1,000 millibar low over the high plain states, but that thing's going to be shunted north because of the ridge holds. That's Wednesday. Got ridging here across the deep south, and accordingly, we stay dry. I'm telling you now, we got to watch this rain deficit. You know, it doesn't seem that way, but we are approaching 3 inches for the deficiency for the year, and I don't think we see that much tomorrow. And beyond that, things look awfully dry. We'll check the end of the forecast April 22nd. A little shortwave coming through, and that would bring some rain if this happens to be correct. But we all know what this is. It's voodoo at this point. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.